You see, at my last set here at Gabiku, I met a villain so dangerous, so villainous, I had no choice but to challenge him to a duel. You know him as Evan the bartender, but his real name is E. Bane. And so we come here before you tonight, on this eves of Valentine's Day, to read you a love poem. This is entitled, I wrote this 15 minutes ago actually. He was there, he saw everything. I actually forgot about my challenge to you until I saw you tonight. And then I thought, fuck my set, I have to do something else here. This is entitled, Bane of Love. In the night, I hunted you, leaping from rooftop to rooftop of melancholy longing, hoping I will find you, groping in the darkness.
Darkness. You think you could find love in darkness? I was born in darkness, born from passion, bestiality, unrelenting, dismal, never-ending. I will never stop eluding you, secretly hoping you will catch me, tie me up, set my soul free from relentless nights, that you are not beside me.
Where is your smile that I crave? Hidden behind a mask of mysterious intention, does he love me? Or does he love me not? I reach out with clenched fists to the heavens, for I can bear your absence no longer. The company of gargoyles leave me wanting, the craving of your touch.
I sent chills down your spine. Broken by years of wishing I would come true. In your dreams, baby, the empty pillow in my bed is a nightmare from which I want to wake, but only from the whisper in my ear.
Te quiero.
I want you bent over my knees so that I may punish your insolence.
Te deseo.
I desire nothing more than your wails of agony as I beat you sideways with my whip.
Te necesito más que
I need more than anything else to feel your body beneath me as I crush you with every pound of my love.
You won't get away from me, mi tesoro. For my heart beats faster with every breath you take away. The side of your body leaves me gasping for air. I am drowning in the gulf between our perspiring bodies. The gulf is too great, and I must fill it with justice for those who are deprived of you when I take you in.
To jail?
Inside me.
Oh dear. You make even villains blush. With that leather tongue. We should call Catwoman. And have a threesome. Tear that pussy a new one. What? Too far?
That's slightly suggestive of violence against women.
Oh, come on, D-Bird. It's all good if you get proper enthusiastic consent.
That's true. Thank you, eBay, for that moment of thematically relevant commentary.
The more you know, D-Bird, the more you know.
And knowing is half the battle. Happy Valentine's Day!